Hey Lars, well for a change of pace let's start in Fremont, where we can see the overflow parking for the Model S out by the track has gotten a lot less full in the last 10 days. Over where the bridge connecting the main building to the sprung structure, we can see that that bridge is structurally complete, and conveyor components have arrived on site this week. That should be operational in a couple weeks. In Shanghai, things remain very quiet with the staggered shutdowns still in place. Not much to see in the northwest corner, not much to see in the west side, and the south end looks about unchanged over the last couple weeks. In the north central area, this little building has moved along a bit, but we don't even know what it's for yet. In Berlin, we can see the extension to this stamping building is well underway. The foundation area is being dug out. This will continue moving forward. The 4680 building is inching along nicely. It's even got some windows, but the big news out of Germany is that the Made in Germany Model Y is now being delivered to customers. I don't have clearance for this video. I'm sure you can figure it out. He's a super cool guy. In Texas, the north end of the building has seen some level 2 chargers installed. The solar on the roof is coming along quick. It's a huge sign, but the Tesla logo is starting to take shape. They're getting landscaping in advance of Cyber Rodeo, and for that matter, the parking lot is looking just about done and completely striped. In the northeast corner, we're seeing a buildup of piling equipment. Yep, they're about to start work on a foundation over here, possibly for the cathode building, but if you thought we were going to run out of stuff to track each week, well, good news, there's still a lot to go. Lars,